Hello friends, in this video I will guide you how to install and configure the Hadoop setup in Windows 10 or Windows 11 with best, easy and amazing way to install Hadoop in few minutes. So please keep watching this video till the end because in this video I will tell you the best way to install Hadoop in your own computer. Hello friends, my name is Ganesh Shugle and welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Windows. So friends, today in this video I will guide you how to install the Hadoop in your own computer in just few minutes, because on overall YouTube never you find the one video of the installing the Hadoop in an easy way. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So friends, today's video is complete in 5 steps. The first step is uninstalling the JDK or Java if installed. So why I told to uninstalling the Java or JDK if installed? So the reason behind it I will tell you in next, because the Hadoop distributed file system is only supports the Java of version 8, so that we need to uninstall the Java if you install the any other version. The next step is downloading Hadoop and Java packages. Okay. Then third step is installing zipper software for extracting the packages. Then fourth, set up Hadoop and Java and configure it. And fifth is download and install the Eclipse software for jar files. And we're ready to run the programs using Hadoop. So let's go through the step by step. So first we uninstalling the JDK if installed. So how to do it? So just follow my all instructions. So go to start and search on the start control panel and select the control panel and select here view by the category and select the programs. Select first option program and features and find out here the Java package. Okay, and here the Java development kit was listed, so uninstall it. Okay, right click on it and uninstall it and just wait to uninstall it and see again once the any Java package or Java software is installed. If not, then close the window. The next step is downloading Hadoop and Java packages. I will already given this link in the description box, so go there and just click on the name as Hadoop setup files. Go to download in file explorer and see here the 3 files was downloaded already. So the next step is go to this PC and open the local disk C drive that your Windows is installed, and here create a one new folder and give it name as in capital Java and press enter. Okay, come again in download folder and here we need to install first software, that is Win Rar. So double click on it and install it. Okay, and select it here all and tick on all and click on OK. Done. So after installing the Win Rar software, we need to extract the technical windows zip file. So right click on it and select extract here options carefully and just wait it complete successfully. After it extracting, we see here the 2 files was come. Okay, so here we need to install first JDK 8.411. so double click on it and just wait. So now we install the Java. Okay, first of all we need to uninstall it and again we install it. So now we install the Java, that is JDK, that is Java development kit. So just click on next. Okay, again click on next. Okay, just stay as it is and click on next and just wait. And after it completed, the destination folder part was select. Okay, so change, click on the change option, click on the this PC and scroll down and see here the local disk C drive was located. So select it and select our newly created Java folder. Okay, so select the Java folder and press OK. So see here the install to path was select C:\Java. So as it is same, so our your path is also same. So after select it, just press next and wait until it install complete. So our JDK was successfully installed. Okay, so click on close. Then next go to local disk C drive and here select the Java folder as we already created here. So delete it first. Okay, then go to program files and search here the Java folder and select it and delete it. Okay, then after deleting, go to again download folder and see here our technical windows extracted folder was located. So please open it and from here select this set of files. Okay, select the set of files and right click on it and copy this set of files and go to local disk C again and paste it here openly. Okay, don't create any folder, just paste on here. Okay, so after press it here, please right click on it and select the extract here option. Okay, and just wait it complete the extraction. So after extracting done, we see here two newly created folders. First one is Java and second is Hadoop. So first we need to open the Java folder, then open the JDK-1.8, then open bin folder. Okay, and see here, copy the above path carefully. Just copy the above path carefully and go to start and search the environmental variables and select this option, edit the system environmental variables. Okay, click on the environmental variables and see in the user variables we see here the new option. Click on new and give the variable name as in capital letters java underscore home and give the variable value. Have copied the path, just paste it here and click on OK. Then next in the system variables select the path, edit it and click on here also new and paste here also the same path. Then click on OK. Then don't close the any window, just go to back here or local disk C, go back and here select the Hadoop folder, open it and go again in the bin folder of Hadoop and select the path here also and copy the path carefully of the Hadoop bin and again come to in environmental variables and in the user variable click on new option and give the variable name as Hadoop underscore home. Carefully give the name in capital letter and paste it here the copied path. Okay, so click on OK and come here the system variables, open the path and click on new, paste it here also the same path, press enter, then again click on new and paste it here the same path and just rename this path as yes bin. Okay, see this step carefully. Then after press enter, click on OK, then come again in local disk C and just press back and just copy the Hadoop main our Hadoop directory path. Okay, copy it and in system variable open the path, edit it and click on new and paste it here as I shown and then click on OK. So our configuration of Hadoop and Java was completed successfully. So now we confirm your Java and Hadoop was successfully installed in your machine or not. So just go to start and search the CMD and open the CMD and type one command here java space dash version and press enter. Okay, so same as like me, this Java version is also detect our system. Okay, so Java version 1.8 and in next just type one command Hadoop space version, not put the dash. Okay, not type dash, only Hadoop space version. Then see here after pressing enter the Hadoop 3.2.4 version was detect our system. Okay, so Hadoop and Java was installed successfully. Done. Then next our last step is go to download and go to again technical windows and here the setup files was complete. Then here the software files, then just right click on it and extract here only. Okay, so after extracting the two files was generated. Okay, so first we install the vc regist. Okay, it is mandatory to install in your system, so double click on it and just install it. Just click on agreements and install. So after setup successful, close this and this last file msvcr120. Okay, so what is the use of this file? Just note this step. Okay, carefully. Just go to this PC, go to local disk C drive, open the Hadoop folder, go to bin folder and see here. So one file was here winutils, that is application. Okay, so just open this application. Okay, after opening it you has come when cmd windows and automatically goes, so your winutils file is successfully installed. Okay, if some users has after clicking the winutils file and any error occurs, okay, the next step was those users. So don't worry if any error occurs after clicking on winutils file, so just follow my instruction one. Just go to our technical windows file and see here our msvcr120g file. So open it. Okay, open it and see here the msvcr.dll library. Okay, just go to this PC, go to C local disk C drive and see here the windows of directory was here. So just open the windows directory and search here the system32 folder. Okay, so just open it and here just open the zip file what that is we opened already and just drag and drop this file in this directory. Okay, so just drag and drop. If this message was come, so just click on replace this file and with destination, continue. So I have already pasted this file. Okay, so no need to paste it again. Okay, so I have never come any error. So if you have any error comes after the clicking on winutils file in the Hadoop bin folder, so those users please drag and drop this msvcr120.dll file in system32 folder. So just cancel it and again go to local disk C. So our all setup was done successfully. Okay, so we ready to run the Hadoop services. Okay, so just close the all windows and then go to start and search here cmd and note carefully run is at administrator. So right click on it and run is as administrator. Okay, and give the permission and see here type one command here. So we need to format the name node. Okay, so for it put one command hdfs, give the space name node space dash format, type this command as it is and press enter and just wait 1 or 2 minutes. So after done, see here the one message was come, so name has been successfully formatted. Okay, then next we start the services. So for it we need to start the name node and data node. So for it, so just scroll down and type cd space backslash and press enter. So we come in the C directory. Okay, and then again put one command cd space Hadoop, then press enter, then again cd space sbin. So go to this directory. Okay, so after come in this sbin directory, so just put one command start dash dfs.cmd and press enter. So after pressing enter, we have to see the two nodes has started. One is the data node and second one is the name node. Okay, so just don't close this window. So name node and data node has successfully started. So just wait until these packages was stopped generating. So please don't close this window, just minimize the window. Okay, and see here the our two windows was here in minimize section. So after, so let's check it which services was running in our system. So for it put one command jps and press enter. After pressing enter, see here the name node and data node was started successfully. Then put next command start dash yarn.cmd. So see here our node manager and resource manager was started successfully. So just wait 1 or 2 minutes until these services stop generating. See here this stop the generating the services. Then just minimize the window. So check it here our which services was started. So again put the jps command and press enter. So see here name node, resource manager, data node, node manager is started successfully. Okay, so after it let's check it in another way. So open any browser and type one url localhost with port number 9870. So our Hadoop was start in this localhost with port number. Okay, so click on utils, browse the file system. Your all browse or all uploaded files was mentioned here. So now we didn't any upload one folder. Okay, how to use it, how to upload a folder in next video I will tell you. Now open a new tab and then again search here localhost colon 8088. Okay, and press enter. After pressing enter, see here the Hadoop all applications is started in here. Okay, while we run any application, so it come on here. So now we didn't run any application, so done. The next step is to downloading and installing the Eclipse software for generating the jar files. So Eclipse, it is the IDE for Java. So just go to Google and type download Eclipse and press enter. So select the one first official website Eclipse download the Eclipse Foundation. So just scroll down and here select the first option package. Install your favorite desktop IDE packages. Click on download 64-bit. Okay, so see here click on download option and just wait and see our download has started. Just wait until it downloads. So after done downloading, go to downloads in file explorer and select and just install it. So we ready to install the Eclipse software. So for installing it, so it is important to connect your laptop in Wi-Fi. Okay, stay connected in Wi-Fi. So after opening it, so just click on this option Eclipse IDE for Java developers and see here the install option was there. So just we click on install. Please select these two ticks. Okay, the mark as two ticks, then click on install and just wait until the installation done. It was takes 10 to 15 minutes. Also it depends on your Wi-Fi connection. So after done installation, so just launch it, click on launch button. So finally our Eclipse IDE is ready to use. Click on launch button and see here our Eclipse IDE workspace. So click on exclude Eclipse first option and proceed and just wait, and see here the Eclipse workspace was there. Okay, you can use it. So how to use it I tell you in next video. So our all installation was done successfully, so you are ready to run your programs in Hadoop. So friends, in next video I will tell you how to run the programs in Hadoop and how to use the Hadoop. So after finally done all, so please don't close this windows or don't close this CMDs directly. Just open your main CMD, okay, the main command prompt, and type one command here, stop dash all dot cmd. This is mandatory to run this command. You see here all services has stopped. So thank you very much for watching this video. So till then, keep learning. Bye bye, take care.